Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to discuss a very interesting topic, photography.
Welcome, fellow photography enthusiasts and nostalgic souls, to our journey through the whimsical world of photographic poetry. Today, we're diving into the depths of analog photography and surfacing in the pixel-perfect clarity of the digital age. But beware, there will be laughter, and maybe a tear or two, as we uncover why old-school photography was more than just a snap. Once upon a time, in a land far, far away, well, more like a few decades ago, photography was an art form steeped in mystery and depth. It wasn't just about capturing a moment. It was about creating a story, a narrative filled with layers and poetic distance. Imagine you're trying to see the Mona Lisa, but your nose is practically touching the glass. Uncomfortable, right? That's how modern digital photography treats us. It brings everything so close that it loses the magic of distance, the very space that allows our imagination to roam free. Enter Walter Benjamin, the theoretical superstar who introduced us to the concept of fora. He believed that every work of art had a unique presence, a special vibe that mechanical reproduction couldn't capture. Digital images, they're like plastic flowers, good from afar, but lacking the real thing's soul. Back in the day, photographers let natural forces play their part. Lights danced freely, creating whimsical and unpredictable photos. Today's digital images are controlled, much like a stage play, leaving no room for the unexpected charm of natural phenomena. Then we have Roland Barthes, who saw photos as total objects, autonomous events happening on their own terms, like a cat deciding when it wants to be petted. Digital photos, on the other hand, are like that needy friend who constantly asks for validation. They offer no mystery, no poetic distance. And let's not forget Descartes, the guy who turned science into a structured, evidence-based affair, leaving no room for the poetic imagination. We traded depth and richness for the bland clarity of digital precision, much like swapping a novel for a PowerPoint presentation. Digital images bring everything so close that we've lost the poetic notion of distance. They shout, "Look at me," like an overly enthusiastic tour guide, leaving us exhausted rather than inspired. So let's take a moment to appreciate the old school, deep thinking, poetic approach to photography. Digital images may be clear and convenient, but they lack the charm of analog photos, which are like slow-cooked meals rich in flavor and history. Next time you pick up your camera, think twice. Maybe, just maybe, it's time to let a little poetic magic back into your snapshots. Your Instagram followers will thank you, and Walter Benjamin will smile down from the great theory lab in the sky. To sum up, without summing up too directly, of course, we need to reclaim the lost art of photographic poetry. We need to step back and let photos breathe. Let them whisper their secrets rather than scream their details. We need the poetic distance that makes a photograph a memory, not just a record. Let's bring back the mystery, the depth, and the accidental beauty that made photography an art, not just a science. So next time you reach for your camera, think twice. Maybe, just maybe, it's time to let a little poetic magic back into your snapshots. Your Instagram followers will thank you, and Walter Benjamin will smile down from the Great Theory Lab in the sky. Thank you for joining me on this nostalgic journey through the world of photographic poetry. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more whimsical musings, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep capturing the magic. Brought to you by Lens and Thoughts channel, where every picture tells a story, and every story is worth 1,000 laughs.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you next time.